video is not intended for minors. This video is intended for adults 18 and above. Anything you see in this video, do not attempt or do not try at home without adult supervision if you are under the age of 18. If you're over the age of 18, still use caution and common sense. Thank you. The products you see in this video are not sponsored. They are products that I've bought myself and used and found them to be likable. So I'm sharing them with you in case you want to buy the product and use it yourself. Thank you. How about the belt doesn't break? I think it's still a little bit wickety. Somebody chrome belts a long time ago, so somebody give me another one. Trying to fix that one. It's not the last belt I got from.
Okay, stop.
This here is a scale belt sander. I believe it is 21 inches, 18 or 21. That means the whole circumference of the belt. If you measure it, it's either 18 or 21. If you were to break it and stretch it out. And it looks like it's 4 inches wide. And this thing is really heavy. It's really heavy, so I can really get down on the wood. I've been having problems with it because it was disaligned. It was supposed to be fixed, but still kind of a little bit off.
So doing it?
A little bit, not too much. Anyway, instead of using this little one to try to sand all that with, use one of them. Then use this one as a finishing sander.
We'll do that later.
The finishing sander will come after Big Daddy here.
If you still see gaps, put more glue, huh? When you're done, it's really awkward because you don't have no workshop.
But if anyone would like to sponsor my channel, I would gladly accept their sponsorship, and I would gladly do a review on any product or item that is sent to me. Again, thank you very much for watching the channel.